Fresh cassava arrives at the factory.
Millions of people enjoy noodles every day. But did you know these delicious noodles can be made from cassava? Today, you'll discover the complete journey from fresh cassava to finished noodles. We'll show you every important step, from cleaning the cassava to producing high-quality noodles. Let's begin the process as fresh cassava arrives at the factory for production.
The cassava is unloaded into the receiving hopper.
Keep them moving. Watch for any defects. Looks good, send it through.
Is checked for quality. Each batch is checked for quality.
The dough is kneaded to achieve the right texture. Water and carefully measured ingredients are added to the cassava powder. The ingredients are thoroughly mixed to form a smooth, uniform dough.
The feeder is running hot. Looks good, plenty to work with.
After After dewatering, the compressed cassava pulp leaves the machine in solid slabs and moves to the next stage of processing.
The dried cassava pulp is ground into a fine powder using an industrial grinding machine.
The powder is transferred to the mixing tank for the next stage. The finely ground cassava powder is collected in a storage hopper.
The powder is transferred to the mixing tank for the next stage.
The purified starch is collected for the next stage. Water and other food ingredients are added in the correct proportions. The purified cassava starch is transferred to the mixing tank. The mixture is blended into a smooth, uniform dough. The prepared dough is transferred to the noodle making machine. The dough is shaped into long noodle strands. Finally, the noodles are cut into uniform lengths.
Fresh noodles continue through the production line.
The freshly formed noodle cakes move to the packaging line. The wet pulp is transported to the drying system. After the starch is removed, the remaining cassava pulp is collected.
The pulp is dried to reduce its moisture content.
The dried pulp is weighed and packed into industrial bags.
The packaged cassava pulp is ready for delivery as animal feed and other agricultural products. The noodles are steamed to improve their texture.
The noodles are cooled before the next process.
Every batch is inspected to ensure high quality. The wrapped noodles continue to the final packaging stage. Each noodle cake is first sealed in a protective inner wrapper. Each pack receives its production details for quality tracking. The final branded package is applied before the noodles are prepared for sale. The noodles are sealed to keep them fresh and safe.
The finished packs continue to the packing area.
Every packaged noodle is inspected before it is packed into cartons for distribution.
The products are packed into cartons for distribution.
The cartons are organized and prepared for shipping.
The finished products are moved to the loading area.
The finished noodles are now ready to be delivered to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes.
Mile after mile, the shipment travels across the country toward its final destination.
After careful production, the noodles are packaged and delivered to stores.
From the factory, the noodles become delicious meals shared with families.
Restaurants also serve cassava noodles, enjoyed by people every day.
From homes to restaurants and supermarkets, cassava noodles bring people together to enjoy delicious meals every day. Thank you for watching. Now you know the complete journey of how cassava becomes delicious noodles.